Okay. All right, guys and gals. Let's go over this. This is called the J extension with trend. Okay. There is a 5-minute trend filter built into this extension software. This software works on all markets right across the board. I don't care if you trade the Dow, S&P, silver, whatever you trade, this works on all markets. What we're looking at is November 14th, 2012. This is the extension with trend. There is a 5-minute trend filter. I'm looking at an 89 tick chart right now here on the euro. And the 5-minute chart at this point in time at 9:20 this morning was in a downtrend. And we got red dots that fired off. There will not be any extension with these dots will not fire off, unless it is with overall 5-minute trend. Okay, there are 2 moving averages preset into the software program. So you can see that the dot's called the high here, the swing high at 9:25 this morning with trend. Trend was down. And then we got a blue dot that fired off just before 10 o'clock here with 5-minute trend up. So what this does is this software program, it analyzes all the major extension points and it plots when these extension points have confluence areas. And when these confluence areas are hit, these major extensions, they will plot a dot on your chart for a possible reversal with overall trend direction. So this software, what it's going to do is it allows you to buy or sell pullbacks with overall trend direction, overall 5-minute trend direction. And here's the euro this morning. These are the dots that it produced this morning on 11/14/2012 on the euro. Now what you can do on the software, you can turn the trend filter to false, and that will allow counter trend trades to happen where these dots will fire off, and they'll fire off counter trend trades not based upon the 5-minute trend. So what you can do is what I like to do. I like to have 2 charts. I like to have a trend chart like this put up in my live room. I just have the trend chart with trend, extension with trend. And then I like to have one chart that is not that is not with trend. I have the trend filter toggled off so I know when extensions are firing on a counter trend trade, okay, to let me know when possibly to take my position off if I'm at a major extension level or a possible counter reversal. Okay, the best follow-throughs will be with overall extension with trend. These are right here at these levels. So the blue dots will fire up automatically on any time frame. I don't care if you use a 4 range, 8 range. I don't care if you use a tick chart. I don't care if you use volume charts. I have traders who use 60-minute charts, 5-minute charts for bigger swing trades. And then I've got traders that actually use up to 120-minute chart on this. So the bottom line is this will work on all markets. The filter is going out. It is now updated on the software program. We now have a 5-minute trend filter built into the J extension with trend. And it will only fire off these dots with overall trend direction if you have toggled on to true. If you go over to oil, it works on any time frame. I'll put on oil real quick. This is the 30-second chart on oil this morning. If you look, it is called the high up here with trend. 5-minute trend was, this is exactly the signal we got here a second ago on oil. This is the only dot that produced on oil. 5-minute trend was down. We come into a major push up in the market from 85.20 to 86.60. And we have the extension software, my dot called the high on the move. Okay, because the 5-minute trend was down. So this is an artificial push up in the market. And what they do is they take all the stops out and then they just reverse the market back down with overall trend direction. Okay, guys and gals.